there is a lot of joy ahead in cryptocurrencies that is upcoming. Please check your code. This is a referral code and create account. This is a reward session. So you make your first deposit up to 10 USDT, or we are going to talk about it. It's time to buy your coin. It's time to invest. It's time to, it's time to start doing something on your crypto account. Okay, so if you are not taking cryptocurrency serious because of the crash, I beg you and I beg you that you should start taking cryptocurrency serious right now. What is coming is more enjoyable than what we are seeing right now. There is a lot of joy ahead in cryptocurrencies that is upcoming. So if you have not, I beg you should start considering making cryptocurrency as part of your investment. Now, this is what I'm going to talk about. We have Binance, we have Bybit, we have Trust Wallet, we have Phantom, different wallets on this in this industry. But today I'm going to guide you on how to sign up on your Bybit cryptocurrency account. Now, this is not just a cryptocurrency account. It's also to recommend if you want to grow your investment. Okay, so those of us who want to grow our money, you can use cryptocurrency as a means of growing your money. Now, let me address this for you to understand very well that cryptocurrency has a dynamic way of being used. Aside it being the use for buying of coins and selling of coins, it is also being used as a means to store and add value to your portfolio. Now, we'll talk about that next time, but this is just a gist that I wanted to give to you guys. Now, today, let's go to how to set up this account, and then we move to the details of it. Now, before I proceed, let me just remind you that this channel is Osei Godfred. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe, because we are going to do a lot of things here, and we are going to talk about a lot of things that is unimaginable. So I already have my email address popping up over here, these three email address. So I have one which I've been using it for a while, that I've been signing up. Like I've already signed into, like registered with Bybit. So right now I'm going to click on the sign up, and then for the sake of the video, we sign up with the cryptocurrency again. Okay. Now the link to this account, if you want to register, if you want to sign up, is in the description below. Use the link below to register and have your welcome bonus. I repeat, use the link in the description below to sign up your account and have your welcome bonus. You're good to go. Don't miss your bonus, so just use the link below. If you do not use the link below, you're going to miss the bonus. But if you use, you're going to have your bonus. Now you see here, there's a referral code. The referral code is going to give you $50 welcome bonus. $50 welcome bonus. Now just type JQQ, okay, 7WTX. This is the referral code. Please check your code. This is the referral code and create account. Make sure you have typed in the referral code. If you have not, kindly do well and do well to do it again. Now this is just a security check, okay? It's just a security check. You do it to make sure to have for them to be aware that you have registered an account with them. Now they have sent an email to this account. Let me check it. So I'm going to type it inside one. Then I'll type in my password. But this is very simple but unique platform. And once again, I want to remind you guys that this application is very easy to use. It's very easy to use. It's available on App Store. It's available on Play Store. So get verified now. So get verified now. We're gonna do that later. Okay, I'm not going to verify now, but get verified now. With the verification, it's very needful to verify, and what it takes is like 2 to 5 minutes with a verified ID. So you need to get your ID, okay, before you can verify. You need to get your ID before you can verify, and then your informations are privated, like it stays in private. It's encrypted, so it stays in private, and it gives you have estimate approval within 5 minutes. So it's very needful and to be verified on your account. If you are not verified, you are not considered to do a lot of things on the platform. But if you are verified, you have the advantage of getting to do a lot of transactions on the platform, and it's very unique. This platform is very unique, very good to be used. In fact, it's very great platform, and I do recommend it to everyone. So you can come here, you check the market over here. You can come also, you have the reward hub, can go and then to claim your reward. In case you want to claim your reward, you can go there and claim any reward that you want to claim. Okay, this is a reward session. So you make your first deposit up to 10 USDT or up to 100 USDT, and then you claim your bonus. Okay,